In today's session, we are going to discuss production process. As we have learned in our previous discussions, that production is an important economic activity, and the result of production process is goods and services which are required by the society. Before we discuss about production process, this is important to understand two terms which are input and output. Input is the term which is used to show factors of production. They are the resources in the production process. Land, labor, capital, and enterprise. These are four factors of productions, and they are the inputs. So inputs mean the material which is used, the labor which is employed, and the raw material. So all those things, they are the inputs to any production process. So far as output is concerned, output means the goods and services which are the outcome of production process. So the term output is used to show the goods and services produced as a result of some production process using inputs or factors of production. So far as production process is concerned, this is the process of making goods and services. Production process is the relationship between inputs and output. If you see in this diagram, so this is the production process of making food. So input are the ingredients that we use, and output is the food which we are making. So the production process is a technical relationship between input and output. Input mean factors of production, the resources, land, labor, capital, and enterprise, and output mean goods and services. Let's see some real life example about the production process. We go to Google and search for production process of chair, and we write here we get one video here. This is manufacturing process of light wood chair designed by JSP. So we have seen that how material, human resource and machinery is combined in an organizational setup, and as a result we are manufacturing chairs which will be sold in the market. So in this lesson we have learned that what is production process. Production process is a technical relationship between inputs and output. Inputs are the resources, factors of production, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, whereas output mean the goods and services which we produce. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.